Hey guys, I'm in the Malaysia Tech Week 2019 and this is the place right now.
For delegates and guests here in the ballroom, you can enjoy refreshments outside at the foyer, or you can also tour around the exhibition area. But please be reminded that we will commence with our first presentation today in half an hour's time. Yeah, you will hear a bell signifying it's time to come in. Page, don't forget to use our hashtag. And with that, thank you for joining us here at the launch event. Of course, this is just the beginning, but we'd like to take this opportunity once again to thank our guest of honor. Can we have a round of applause to Yang Berhormat Tuan Gobind Singh for gracing this event with his presence despite his busy schedule. And with that, we would like to invite Yang Berhormat to enjoy a tour.
The first room is our conference room. The other side is exhibition room. After lunch hour time is